government which is being practiced all over the world is called as a representative democracy. And in this system you have governance which is done through people's representative. That is one who is selected by the people. That is he is called as the people's representative, because it is impossible for each citizen to directly participate in governance. The need for representative democracy has given rise to political parties. So the need for selecting a specific leader has led to the political parties, formation of political parties. Functions of a political party: first function is contesting election. So they have to contest election, and then they have to nominate themselves as a candidate for the electoral contest in various constituency. And policies, they have political parties put forward different policies and programs so that the voters can choose from them. So whoever is going to vote for this party, they choose from the options that is given by the political party, and which brings a large number of similar opinions under one umbrella, meaning everything is brought under one category. Under one umbrella is nothing but under one category. These opinions are channelized to form policies and programs. Okay, so these the whole of the opinion is channelized to form policies and programs, and the policies and programs of the ruling party are expected to be followed by the government. So whatever the policies and the programs are being designed by the ruling parties, that is said to be followed by the government. Making law. Okay, the third one is making law. Political parties play a decisive role in making law for the country. You may be aware that it is the legislature which passes a law after proper debate, as most of the members belong to the political parties. So a political party has direct say in law making for the country. So making law, how political parties has the right to make law. Political parties play a very important role in making law for the country, and we are also aware that it is the legislature which passes the law after proper debate. That is, once a law is designed and there will be a debate which is conducted among different parties to find out whether this one is worth and this one is applicable for the country, and then this law will be passed by the legislator. As most of the members belong to the political parties, so political party has direct say in law making for the country. Formation of a government. So political parties form and run governments. The executive body is formed by people from the ruling party. So various political leaders are assigned different ministries to carry out the tasks of governance. So they political parties form and run government. So the executive body is formed. The executive body is